while we are waiting for the varnish to dry, I'm going to unbox some presents from Japan. So I am just so excited to open these presents with you. So, most of them I haven't seen what's inside. So I instructed Hannah to check out the stores or shops for skincare and cosmetics in Japan because when I went there, when I was looking for a pharmacy or drugstore to buy something because I was feeling dizzy then, I couldn't find one. Their drugstores or pharmacies with those signages, they sell instead cosmeceutical products for the hair, for the skin, and for personal care, and also supplements. And so I wanted Hannah to experience that as well. And so she went there, she bought some products for us to use, for both of us to use. And so here, one of them is this. It's from Senka, or it's also Shiseido. It's collagen facial cream wash. Actually, this is available in Shopee here in the Philippines, and I have been using this for over a year now. But of course, this one is from Japan, and so this is facial wash. It's creamy and it's all right. It doesn't produce breakouts on my skin, so I have this. And then she bought me this because she is quite concerned sometimes when I put on makeup and then I don't wash my face anymore at night. That's a bad practice. Don't copy that. I only use wet wipes and then hot towel. And so she bought me this also. It's cleansing oil and it's good for removing makeup. And she also bought me this. It's Fino hair mask. I don't use hair mask nowadays because it's so time consuming, but maybe I'll try this as a substitute for my argan oil. I always use argan oil after shampooing, so I'll try this hair mask. My daughter Hannah is into cosmetics and skincare nowadays, also for her hair. So she takes care of her personal care nowadays because she's now working in our company, and we are into cosmetic ingredients. Yes, skincare active ingredients. So there's this. Okay, this one is from Hannah again. She bought this for me because she knows that I want to collect snow globes, and because she and her dad experienced snow for the very first time. They were both excited. And so Hannah bought me this as well for my souvenir, even though I wasn't there. So yeah, this one. So the snow bits are supposed to be like sakura or the cherry blossoms, and there is a Japanese woman there, Japanese lady, and that's supposed to be Mount Fuji, and that's a pagoda which they visited when they were in Kyoto. And this one is a box. There are two boxes. We already opened one. And I'm just going to show you what this is. You know what? Japanese are so good with their packaging, even for food. So they put the food or the like the sweets, desserts, pastries in a box, like a gift box, and then they wrap them. And when they wrap, they don't cut. So they just wrapped the box with the whole wrapping paper. I have seen them do that when I was also in Tokyo 20 years ago. And they did it very, very fast. So this is this. It's like jelly. in a cup, and they have different varieties. Like for example, this one is lemon. So you're just going to open this and put it in a pretty saucer like that, and then serve. And this one is mixed fruits, and this one I think is peach. Now I'm going to serve this later for tea. And then there's another gift, because we have received many presents from our suppliers. The owner himself, the CEO, he's very kind. And so actually I already opened this, but I haven't really looked at it for a long time, because Hannah and Tim opened it, but I told them no, just close it up again, because I'm going to unbox it with my audience, with my subscribers. So this one, there are two. Oh my, I just love this. It's a soy dish. Look, with hand painting and gold accent. And there's a mark there. I just don't know, but there's a mark. It's a souvenir item. So this is the kind of gift wrapping that the Japanese do. They don't cut. Look, they don't cut the paper. Oh, hard. Wow, Kutani. Of course I know Kutani, because I sell them as second hand or vintage. Yeah. Look. Those are the hand-painted plates. Kutani. It's so collectible. All right, now we are going to open the plate. This one. Oh, wow. It's a different design. This one is cherry blossoms, white cherry blossoms, and it's textured. So pretty. And what's next? We still have two. This one, I have no idea what this is. And Hannah said this is her main present. We call present in Filipino pasalubong. Pasalubong means gifts. When you are coming from a different place, especially overseas, and then you come back home, then you bring presents or pasalubong from that place. So this is Hannah's pasalubong for me. We're going to open it. I don't want to ruin the sticker, so we're going to open it here. What might this be? Matcha. It is a matcha cake. I think so, because it's green. It's a matcha cake. We are going to open this later when we are going to have tea. We are going to have tea together after filming my canvas. And then we are down to the very last one. This is not really a pasalubong from Hannah, but her dad paid for this. On their last day, I told them to please go to Ginza, to visit Ginza. It's a posh community or a posh place for tourists. You can find there the high-end stores like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Versace, and the like. And so I told them also to look for goodies or sweets for me, like pastries, because I love them for my tea. And so they went to this store. This bake shop, and they got me this. Wow. So it's an assortment of like samplers of what they sell. Oh, these are Madeleines or Madelines. I don't know about that. I don't know about this. I think these are, I don't know. We are going to try them for tea. Patisserie. Wow, as if I went to Paris already. They're just so tiny. And oh my, this goodies are very pricey. But it's all right. It's just once in many years. All right, so those are my presents from Japan.